I used 7 hours to prepare these four different African meal that you might like to try with your family, especially during this time long holiday with children. This is called moi moi and it's made up from beans. This is called tomato soup. This is called okra soup. And the last on my list is called vegetable spinach soup. Hi, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time coming across my channel, my name is called Timmy, and you're welcome to my channel. The first thing I will prepare is called all-purpose tomato stew. The first step you like to get ready is your onions, and you take your vegetable oil, you put it in your pot, you let it hot, then you add your sliced onions, you let it fry for about 2 minutes or how you want it to be. If you like spicy stuff, go and get your habanero pepper blended with your onions. So I'm going to add my curry powder and my thyme. I'll let it fry a little bit, like 2 minutes. Then I will go on and add my tomato. You can use a fresh tomato, your butter tomato, your tin tomato, your canned tomato, any tomato that you prefer at all. Then you should add your seasoning, your Maggi, and your salt until your soup looks this way. Then your soup is about to get ready. Always prepare it in a very low heat. Then I'm going to go on and add my protein. You can go on and add any protein of your choice at all. I'm going to use turkey, my whitening fish, my Titus fish. You can use any protein of your choice at all. After adding your protein, then you let it cook in a low heat for about 5 minutes. Then your tomato soup is ready. Alright, let's go straight and prepare our moi moi. As I said earlier, moi moi is made out from beans. You get your beans, you soak it, you peel the back, then you blend it with your bell pepper, your habanero pepper, if you like spicy stuff, and your onions. As you're blending it, make sure that you get the protein ready. I'm going to use egg and my Titus fish. After blending your beans, it should look this way. Then you go on and add your spices, your Maggi cube, your paprika pepper, your curry, your crayfish, your salt, any spices you like at all. And don't forget to add your vegetable oil. You mix everything together. Make sure you mix it together so that the spices won't go one way. You mix it together and yeah. So I'm trying to give myself some space here. I want to add my moi moi, my blended beans into my container so that I can cook it. So this is my blended moi moi or my blended beans that I've mixed with my spices. Then I will go on and use my aluminum plates to cook my moi moi. I won't be able to give you guys full details about this moi moi. If you want me to make a separate video on how to prepare moi moi, I'll surely do that. Or I've made a video, I'll put the link in the description. Alright, so let's get it done. So this is my aluminum plate. I'll add my blended and seasoning beans, and I will add just small pieces of Titus fish and my egg. I love to use this plate for my moi moi because it's so affordable and it's so easy. Yeah, it's way better than using nylon or using aluminum paper. All right, I will add small water in my pot. Then I will place my moi in the pot. I will cover it with aluminum paper, and yeah, I will let it cook for 1 hour. All right, let's go straight to okra soup. This is one of my best soup ever. I love okra soup. I blended my pepper, my habanero pepper, my bell pepper. I blended it together. Then I will add my palm oil. I'll let it cook for about 10 minutes. Then I will add all my protein I want to use at all. I've made a separate video on how to prepare okra soup. I'll surely drop the link in the comment section or in the description. So I blended some of my okra, then I chopped some. The reason why I blend this is because I want that slimy okra, because the okra we usually get in abroad those used to slime like that. So for you to get that slimy okra that you want, you have to blend some, then you chop some. Look at this okra. Let's go straight and prepare our spinach soup. So that is my shaki. I will add my blended pepper. I have many ways on preparing my spinach soup. So if you want to prepare this, so make sure your meat is half done. Like your meat is not well cooked, then add your blended pepper so that everything is going to cook together. So you can add your seasoning at all, your Maggi, your salt, anything at all that you love to add for your spices. Then you go on and add a little bit of palm oil. I love this recipe. I love this style in cooking spinach because it doesn't eat a lot of palm oil. Yeah, so you mix it together, then you cover it to cook in a low heat. Make sure that you let it cook well, then you taste it. After you've seen that, yeah, your soup is like it tastes well, then your soup is getting ready. You turn it together, then yeah, it's time to put our spinach. If you are using beef for your protein, you can add it now. But because I'm going to add fish, I'm going to add my spinach first before I will add my fish. So that is my crayfish and the Maggi cube. When you are cooking, always taste it so that you know what is left for you to put. Yeah. So this is my moi moi that I made from my beans, and I have my tomatoes, all-purpose soup. I have my okra soup, and I have my spinach soup. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Are you going to try this out with your family? And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Please help me to share, subscribe to my channel. Bye.